Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move on the bull's part. I mean, from where the price was to where it ultimately closed, I think everybody would agree, yeah, this was a good move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the valid and logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type price movement? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at, what is that? $2.50. Why is $2.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with genuine strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that being said, think about $2.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back and comes down here. Not saying it will, but let's say a pretty drastic pullback like that happens, but it bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have even after a drastic pullback such as that? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $2.50. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the level where the sellers seem to be hanging out, I'm going to split the difference up there and just call it right up there at 305. Yes, I realize the price did technically go a little bit above there, but on another case, the price didn't quite hit that high, so I'm just splitting the difference at 305. Case in point, though, at the end of the day, resistance levels, are not the top priority, in my opinion at least. Top priority is just go through healthy consolidations and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the week. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.